You read that right. Imagine a world where every dollar you make stays with you. No more IRS deductions. No more paying a huge chunk of your paycheck. And guess what? It's all possible. Legally. So what's the secret? Today, I'm going to show you how smart, wealthy people legally keep more of their hard-earned money. Strategies hidden in plain sight that only a few know. Stay tuned until the very end because each step we'll cover brings you closer to financial freedom. But a quick warning. Miss any one of these, and it could cost you thousands. Ready? Let's dive in. Point 1. Understanding taxes, the silent wealth drainer. Before we get into the secrets, let's talk about why taxes are such a wealth drainer. Did you know that taxes are often your largest lifetime expense? You could work a year straight just to pay off your taxes. Every wealthy person knows taxes are the enemy of wealth building. So why do some people pay so little tax, while most of us pay so much? Let me ask, what's the first thing you'd do if you suddenly got to keep 20% more of your paycheck? Treat yourself? Or maybe, double down on investments? To break free, you have to think like the wealthy do. Let's rewire our thinking and see taxes as a puzzle you can actually solve. Point 2. The wealthy mindset. Think like a CO. Wealthy people don't see taxes as something they just pay. They treat it like a business decision. Here's a question for you. Are you running your finances like a business? CEOs make strategic decisions with taxes. Why don't you? What if I told you there's a way to use tax law to your advantage, just like CEOs? Just wait. You're about to see how powerful this shift can be. So now that you're thinking like a CEO, let's talk about the number one strategy that wealthy individuals use to legally cut their tax bill. Point 3. Leveraging tax deductions and credits. The U.S. tax code is thousands of pages long. But here's the kicker. It's filled with legal ways to reduce your tax liability. Tax deductions and credits are your first defense. But what's the difference? Think of deductions like a discount and credits like cashback. Which one would you choose? Turns out, the wealthy use both. Let's break it down further. We'll start with deductions you might not be using and then move on to credits that can massively reduce what you owe. Point 4. Business expenses tax write-offs. Ever noticed how entrepreneurs seem to pay so little in taxes? It's not magic, it's strategy. Business expenses are a powerful tool to cut down your taxable income. From home office expenses to vehicle write-offs, these expenses can add up fast. And yes, even if you're a side hustler or freelancer, you can access these benefits. Imagine writing off part of your rent or your new laptop. Sound good? There's a specific expense that can save you even more, and almost no one talks about it. Hold on, we'll get there. Point 5. The power of real estate investments. Let's talk real estate. Not only can it build wealth, but it can also shelter that wealth. One of the biggest tax advantages? Depreciation. Essentially, you can write off a part of the property's value every year, even if that property is gaining value. But that's not all. There's another real estate strategy that can take your tax savings to the next level. Ever heard of a 1031 exchange? We're going there next. So buckle up, because you're about to see why real estate is the tax haven for the wealthy. Point 6. Retirement account sheltering wealth. Saving for retirement isn't just about your future self. It's also one of the best ways to shield your income from taxes today. From 401(k)s to Roth IRAs, these accounts are designed to help you build a nest egg while reducing your tax burden. The wealthy take advantage of these accounts to the max. Question: have you maxed out your IRA this year? If not, why not? Because next, we're talking about a strategy that even fewer people understand, something the wealthy use to build a tax-free retirement. Point 7. The Roth IRA conversion ladder. Imagine withdrawing from your retirement account tax-free. Roth IRAs offer exactly that. With a Roth IRA conversion ladder, you can essentially hack the system, converting a traditional IRA to a Roth IRA in a way that lets you withdraw tax-free in early retirement. This technique requires careful planning, but done right, it can save you thousands. Now let's dig deeper into how it works. Point 8. Creating your own tax strategy. Act like the wealthy. Here's the deal. Tax strategy isn't just for CEOs and millionaires. It's for anyone willing to take control of their financial future. Imagine having your own personalized tax strategy that saves you thousands every year. What could you do with that extra money? So where's the blueprint? Right here. Step by step. Here's how to build your own wealth plan that could let you legally keep more and more of your income over time. Point 9. Building a team: accountants, advisors, and mentors. No one achieves wealth alone. The wealthy surround themselves with people who know the system. Imagine having an accountant who shows you every deduction, a financial advisor who knows all the tricks. That's the power of a team. And guess what? There's one person who can give you access to all of this, and it's closer than you think. Let's talk about how to find that key person. Point 10. Making your move: action plan and recap. It's time to act. The strategies we've covered today aren't theoretical. They're the same strategies used by wealthy people every day. So what's stopping you? Here's a question. Why keep paying so much tax when you could be building wealth with that money? Now, for those of you who want to go even deeper, we've got the perfect next step. If you want to keep growing and maximize every dollar, check out our video on Do This Every Time You Get Paid, Paycheck Routine. Learn how to make the most of each paycheck, stacking your wealth strategy step by step. Hit that like button if you learned something new today. Subscribe for more insights, and drop a comment below on the next topic you want to master. Together, we're building a wealthier, smarter future.